Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best indoor games is probably one of the most fun and engaging ways to stay active and entertained, no matter the weather or time of day. In this video, we will explore a variety of indoor sports games suitable for different ages, skill levels, and spaces, helping you choose the perfect fit for your needs and preferences, from classic board games to high-energy fitness activities. Number 5. Elite Sports Ring Toss. Introducing the perfect game for family fun. It's easy to set up and provides hours of entertainment for everyone. This classic game is now better than ever. It's durable, portable, and perfect for all ages. Get the kids moving and engaged with this exciting ring toss game. It's a great way to encourage physical activity and friendly competition. It sets up in seconds and is lightweight enough to take anywhere. Enjoy it in your backyard, at the park, or even on vacation. This isn't just fun and games, it helps develop hand-eye coordination and motor skills. It's also a great way to build social skills through friendly competition. Looking for a gift that's fun, engaging, and memorable? Look no further. This game is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like? It's quick to set up and can be played anywhere. If you are looking for a game to take to the park or beach, this is it. This makes it perfect for families who love outdoor activities. What people say. The game itself is sturdy yet lightweight, making it good for either indoor or outdoor use. It's easy to set up and fun to play. It is wood and not plastic, making it easy to use in grass and stay put. The travel bag is excellent for transporting this cute party starter. Number 4. Elite Sports Ring Toss. It's the perfect game for family and friends. Enjoy hours of fun indoors or out, no matter the space. It sets up quickly on any flat surface. Take it to the beach, a camping trip, your dorm, or anywhere else. Made with smooth rubber rings, it's safe for kids and adults. Enjoy the fun without worrying about sharp objects. It's a great way to break the ice at parties and gatherings. It's fun and engaging for everyone. Looking for a unique and fun gift? This is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It's a gift that keeps on giving. It's suitable for people of all ages and skill levels. It's a great way to spend quality time with loved ones. What we like? It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, making it versatile for any space. If you're looking for a safe and fun game for all ages, this is a great choice. It's also an ideal gift for any occasion. What people say. Rings are sturdy enough to hold up and to allow some technique with throwing, but soft enough not to mark walls. 20 size is great. Well built, thick wood and good hardware. Sturdy pre-installed hanging hardware slips over a nail or hook. The gameplay is a blast and was a total hit during Christmas vacation. Not only did our immediate family enjoy this game, but our extended family members enjoyed it so much they decided to buy their own. Number 3. Giggle and Go Bowling Set. Get ready for hours of laughter with our Giggle and Go Bowling Set. It's the perfect game for kids and adults, indoors or outdoors. This lightweight and portable set is easy to set up anywhere. Enjoy fun family time without needing any electricity. It's a great way to get kids active, improving hand-eye coordination and balance while having a blast. The sand-weighted base keeps the pins upright, even in a gentle breeze. The high-quality PVC ensures it's built to last. The set includes 6 giant inflatable pins, 1 inflatable ball, a repair patch, and a hand pump. Everything you need for a fun-filled game. We stand behind our products. Your purchase comes with a 1-year product replacement warranty. What we like? The oversized design makes it hilarious and engaging for everyone. If you want a durable and fun game that will last, this is the one. It's great for kids' parties and family gatherings. What people say. The pins and the ball are easy to inflate. They are sturdy. They stand upright and you can set them up like regular pins in a bowling game. The balls and the pins were very easy to blow up and they held up well with the very rambunctious kids. The bottoms of the pins have weight, which was helpful to keep them standing when needed. The ball is huge and my youngest enjoys riding it around the house. Number 2. Pop-A-Shot Home Dual Shot. Experience the thrill of arcade basketball in the comfort of your home. It's fun for the whole family, with multiple game modes and accurate scoring. Enjoy incredibly accurate scoring thanks to our proprietary infrared sensors. No more guesswork, it's almost 100% accurate. With 16 different game modes and 7 balls included, there's always something new to try. Hours of fun await. It's built to last with sturdy steel tubes, a heavy-duty nylon ramp, and a commercial-grade backboard. It's ready for years of family fun. It's surprisingly compact. It folds easily for storage and is even on wheels for easy movement. It's perfect for any space. Play with confidence. It comes with a 12-month warranty, ensuring worry-free fun for the whole family. Challenge a friend to a game. It features a large scoreboard, multiple audio options, and even an announcer to add to the excitement. Suitable for players of all ages and heights. Adjust the height to suit your needs and enjoy the game. What we like? It offers precise scoring and tons of game options to keep things interesting. If you're an arcade basketball fan, you'll love this. Its sturdy construction ensures years of enjoyment. What people say. Among the 10 game modes are single player, 1 versus 1, collaborative scoring, crossfire where you shoot diagonally, and different game durations. Scoring is nearly perfect, the only misses coming when 2 balls go through in very rapid succession. Fully assembled, it is sturdy yet easy to move, the wheels also lock to prevent it from moving around when shooters lean in. No electrical outlets nearby? No problem. Can run on AA batteries or be plugged in. Shuts itself off after a period of inactivity. The middle height adjustment was perfect. We have had this just a few days, and it has been used for hours. The sensors seem to be working at least 98% of the time. The 10 games also keep this game from getting too repetitive. The built-in speaker is of better quality than most games I've purchased, but I love that fact that there is a AUX jack on the back to plug in a better, external speaker. Instructions were very clear. All parts were there. Took 2 people about 2 hours to assemble. Battery or power plug operation. You choose height during assembly, but seems you can raise or lower backboard once the whole thing is assembled too. Folds up easily, 10-year-old can fold up unfold to play. Reads every basket, sensors positioned above and below rim ensure that. Number 1. Pop-A-Shot Dual Shot Sport. Experience the thrill of arcade basketball in the comfort of your home. It's perfect for players of all skill levels, offering endless fun for the whole family. Challenge a friend to a game. With its dual shot design, you can compete head-to-head for high scores. Get ready for some intense competition. It has 10 different game modes to keep things interesting. There's always something new to try and master. Enjoy nearly 100% accurate scoring thanks to the paddle scorers. Plus, it has an exciting announcer to add to the fun. It's built to last with sturdy steel tubes and a durable nylon ramp. Plus, it folds for easy storage when not in use. It's surprisingly compact and easy to set up. Get ready for hours of fun with minimal effort. Play with confidence. It comes with a 6-month warranty, ensuring worry-free entertainment. What we like? It's compact and folds away easily for storage. If you're on a budget but still want arcade basketball fun, this is a great option. It's perfect for smaller spaces. What people say. It has 10 game modes to mix up the play a bit. It feels really sturdy and I think it will last a long time. Setup was pretty easy and straightforward. The hoop came with 4 mini basketballs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.